Neighborhood Health Watch is sponsored by the doctors of HCA Virginia.
Kidney transplant is the topic today in Neighborhood Health Watch. A kidney transplant is surgery to place a healthy kidney from a donor into the body of a person with end-stage renal failure. Now, there are two types of treatment, dialysis or transplant, and many people believe a kidney transplant is the better option and gives the person more freedom than dialysis. Dr. Layman with Henrico Doctors Hospital is here to get us better informed. And thanks a lot for joining us. You're old hat at this. You've been with us before. But let's start out with talking about some of the causes of kidney failure.
The most two common causes of kidney failure are diabetes and high blood pressure, which is in the region and in the country. Those are the two most common causes.
A kidney transplant keeps a person from having to go on dialysis, and that's a huge improvement to a person's quality of life. But talk to us about what you see, the differences between a person who's on dialysis and someone who has had the surgery.
Well, if you compare people that are on dialysis to people that have a kidney transplant and look at those groups of people 5, 10, 15 years later, there are more of the people with transplants alive than on dialysis. Having a kidney transplant doubles your life expectancy.
Awesome. Now, this month is Donor Awareness Month. What is the message you want to get out there to our viewers?
Yeah, April is National Donate Life Month, and when the spring comes, we want to sort of remind people that they can give the gift of life to anyone with an organ failure who needs a kidney or any other organ transplant. But what we want to do is to get people to make that commitment, sign their driver's license, and more importantly, tell their family members that that's what they want to do, and that's their wishes.
You know, it's alarming to hear that Virginia is so far behind other states in terms of a donor, in terms of the waiting list. The waiting list for us is 5 to 7 years. A person could die waiting for an organ.
Exactly. And there are some places in the country where organ donor awareness is much more robust. So there's multiple celebrations going around the city this month and even today to try to remind people that organ donation is very important.
And it's very easy to do.
It is. And the most important thing is to tell your family members and loved ones that this would be your wish.
All right. Dr. Layman, thank you so much for joining us.
All right.